Hello everyone, I'm Anish, and today we're going to explore an exciting topic. What is a vector database? This is a fundamental concept that powers many of the AI systems we use every day. Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT can remember and retrieve similar information so incredibly fast? The secret is the vector database. This technology stores information as mathematical vectors, allowing ChatGPT to retrieve similar information instantly. As you can see in this visual, similar concepts are grouped together in what we call vector space. This organization enables fast similarity search and creates what we might call AI memory. So, to summarize, vector databases convert information into mathematical representations, group similar concepts together, and enable AI systems to quickly find and retrieve related information. Thank you for watching this introduction to vector databases. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into how these databases are built and used in real-world applications.